Red squad on my mark.
Our forces won't stand a chance with those cruisers in place. Commence attack run.
Initiating attack run. Barely pulled it together here.
Y-Wing squadron has joined us. Cover them so they can perform a bombing run.
Imperials in my sight.
We'll never get through while those Imperial cruisers are still there. Good work. Our Y-Wings finished their bombing run.
Watch out!
Our blockade runners are here. Keep the Imperials off them and they will deal out serious damage.
Glad you left a few for us.
Friendly bombing run initiated.
Keep at it. Structural failure imminent. Finish them off.
Your ship's taking damage.
Confirmed kill. We're advancing.
The cruisers are down. Scanning for additional defenses.
That's it for me! You're being targeted.
We're reading heavy shielding around the dock. You'll have to take down those generators.
Looks like they started without us.
Key reinforcements are here. Y-Wing bombers. Keep them safe. One of our blockade runners is taking damage. Defend it. The Y-Wing squadron successfully completed its bombing run.
Skywalker here.
Take down those shield generators. Then we can go after the Star Destroyer.
You roll like that and we'll win this thing.
We've lost the blockade runner. I don't like our chances if we lose another.
System-wide. Target shot.
Might be my last battle, fellas.
yours now, bud.
No time to celebrate. Keep at it.
Another down. Making headway.
All right, everybody, let's get this done.
Impressive shot!
Only one left.
You're taking damage! You need to protect those boats. I'll get him! Hate to be a bother, but I think I'm about to die! Quick, run, get hit! You shook him off. Excellent work. Taking a lot of heat over here.
Dealt them a serious blow.
Generators down. Stand by. Scanning for intel.
Watch out! Looks like this fight's almost over.
Don't get excited. Plenty more out there.
Our battle cruisers arrived right on time. Take out those defenses and watch its cannons go to work. Our Y-Wings have initiated their bombing run. We need you to run interference.
Nice shot. Lost your tail. Congrats.
Well done. Our Y-Wing bombers made it through.
They're on their last legs. Let's finish it!
They're going down. You're one hell of a wingman.
The shields are back online. We need to hit those clamps again.
Come on. Excellent work.
Loving it.
Taking damage. Can't hold it together!
Hurry up, will ya? Haven't got all day.
They're targeting you! Yes!
The reactor is wide open. Get it with everything you've got before the shields are back online.
All systems...
destroyer's reactor is critical. It won't take much more. Enemy shields restored. Target the power clamps.
Steady, steady.
Red Squad, let's finish this!
I'm almost out of this fight.
You're taking fire! Looking good! We can finish them, but we need...
We've done it. We've loosened the Empire's grip on this entire system.